Sorcery. Yeah, in the 1800s, I'd probably be hanged for doing that. This has been your historical lesson. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Welcome. Welcome to this stupid channel, featuring me, your least favorite sneaker YouTubing dweeb. It's pure fact. If you don't like what's going on here, that's totally cool. There's like maybe 2 or 3 other people that do these kind of videos. No, there's a lot more. Sarcasm. Ugh. But if you do like what's going on here, you can go down below after the video is over, or right now, or whenever, and hit subscribe and become a pal. Join the over 3,000 pals. That's so crazy to me. I'm still having a hard time digesting that there are over 3,000 people that have at one point in time watched one of my videos. That's just bonkers. So as a way of saying thanks, next week will be the giveaway, and it's gonna be a good one, I promise. Or I'm gonna try to make it a good one. I semi-promise. Anyways, today's video, as you could probably tell by the thumbnail, is one of these things. That's not on the screen because that's just not how this works. It's a Soul Supremacy beater box. Real quick, what is a Soul Supremacy beater box? Well, I'll tell you. Soul Supremacy is a shop in the Bay Area of California. They basically have these boxes available to people who pay a monthly membership fee. The pricing on these boxes is made up of the value that Soul Supremacy puts on whatever they buy or have trades or whatever, however they acquire these shoes. So you get them for under market. The purpose of them is to flip. This box in particular was $875 plus $40 to ship it here to the lovely city of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, for a grand total of $915. I don't open these things before I get them, so I'm going to open it right now and find out what's going on in here. Ugh, we're open. Hold on, I got to open it more. All right, this thing's open. My viewfinder's up, so I'm trying not to look at myself. Anyways, this thing's open. I'm gonna grab the Adidas boxes first because I know nothing about Adidas. This first one is a size 9 Pharrell Williams Tennis Hue. These are the white and green ones. These are dead stock too. This is a really nice colorway actually. This kind of plays off the Stan Smith colorway, which is kind of, you know, the most iconic superstar there is. It's a really lightweight shoe, kind of cool. Size 9 is a really good size too, so there's your first shoe. It's a Pharrell Williams Tennis Hue in the Stan Smith colorway, I guess you could say. So these shoes and all the shoes in this video are going to be available for sale down below. It's a way you can get in contact with me, or they'll end up on my website, which I'll get to at the end of the video. Another shoe, this is a size 9. It's an EQT Support Advanced, or ADV, or whatever it means. Another dead stock pair of some kind of like grayish looking EQT Support. It's got like hints of pink or like peach on it. Dead stock pair as well. Good size. Don't know the value on these, but you know, these will sell for a pretty decent amount, so can't really complain about that. Dead stock shoes will move, and this is a dead stock shoe. So size 9 EQT Support ADV. This is an ASICS box. This is a size 5.5 men's. Oh, okay. Wow, I haven't seen these in a while. This is a pair of the ASICS. It comes with like 15 billion kinds of laces. But it's the pair of the Gel Lyte III called HOMAGE. You'll see that they are 2 separate colors. This is like a salmon. This is kind of like a teal. I'm just going to grab the one here. It's a really small size, so I don't know what the value is going to be on it. Really cool shoe. It's just, you know, mismatched shoe. It's just kind of a cool thing, but this is a dead stock pair too, so can't complain about that. 5.5 is a kind of a weird size, but maybe I'll hold on to this and someone will get it for their kid for school when it starts. Gel Lyte III HOMAGE, size 5.5. 3 dead stock shoes to start a box is really good. It's a Nike orange box. This is a size 9 Nike Air Trainer CRUZ. I don't even know who he plays for right now. Titans maybe? I don't know. But this is also a dead stock pair. Some kind of woven like suede CRUZ trainer. A lot of you will probably recognize that the CRUZ shoes look a lot like the Nike Air Yeezy ones. That's just all there is to it. It's paying homage to the Nike Air Yeezy. So size 9 again, nice pair, good summer color, dead stock condition too. I don't know the value on these, probably like 90 bucks I would imagine, but it's the guy who does the salsa dance when he scores a touchdown. Let's see, this is a Jordan box, size 9, Air Jordan 5 Retro. Ew, there's socks in here, ugh. 2013 or 2014 release of the Grape 5s. Worn pair, obviously. Bottoms are decent condition, not terrible. Cages are a little bit discolored too, but both shoes have the lace locks, so that's really good. Size 9 is a good size. These just need to be cleaned up a little bit, so no cracking on the midsole, which is good. Grape 5s. The box is okay so far. This is a size 13 Flyknit. No, this is not a size 13 Flyknit racer because it would be way lighter if it was. This is a pair of size 12 of the black grapes. Now these are also 2013, so these came out around the same time. These are in really good shape. I don't see the lace locks in here, so that's kind of a bummer. But bottoms are very lightly worn. Cages are still pretty good condition. Probably a solid 8 out of 10, but size 12, big size for you Bigfoot fellers out there. And a replacement box too, which is kind of a bummer, but that's okay. Replacement box is better than no box. This is a size 9. It says SFAF1 Quick Strike. This is a dead stock pair of the all-white Air Force One high thing. I don't know much about these. They came out, I think, last year. Dead stock pair, which is good. And it's an Air Force One. Air Force Ones are classics, you know what I mean? So, size 9. Air Force One. So I got 3 more in here. I'm saving the Lucy's for the last because it looks like the Lucy's are really good. It's a size 9 Air Jordan 2 Retro Low. Dead stock pair. I don't know the names of this. I think it's just like University Blue and white. Size 9 again. Yeah, dead stock pair. This is actually a pretty clean colorway. A lot of people like 2s. Nothing wrong with that. 2s are really cool. And this is a pretty awesome colorway. Really good summer shoe again. I think it's kind of weird. A lot of people are trading in their summer shoes. Size 9 again. Jordan 2 Retro Low. These are probably from like, what, 2014 or something like that? I'm not going to look. And then we got 2 loose shoes to finish this off. First pair is a worn pair, obviously. Yeah, this is the 2010 Space Jams. Jordan 11 Space Jams. Bottoms are discolored, as is normal for a lot of shoes this old. You'll notice the right shoe has a big old divot right there, which will definitely affect the value, but these are in pretty good shape. Not much toe box creasing, as you can tell, you know, which is rare for patent leather. It just has this big old divot thing going on there. So size, what did I say? Size 10, pair of used Space Jams from 2010. Not gonna be as valuable as they could be. But this last one, this is the money shoe, I would assume. It's an older pair of Jordans. This is a pair of the Air Jordan 1 Boston Celtics from the Defining Moments pack with the 1 and the 11. A lot of people love this shoe. I hope they retro this shoe. There is a pine green one that looks kind of similar coming out in the fall, but this is a size 8.5. It's a good size. Midsole is a little bit discolored. I don't know if you guys can pick it up on the camera, but it's a little bit yellowed. But that's something I can fix easily. Otherwise, you know, no sole separation. Just needs a good cleanup. Really nice pair. If these were my size, they would be staying. I'm not gonna lie. A little bit of star loss, but overall pretty good condition. About 7, 8 out of 10. But this is a really sought after pair. So size 8.5, Air Jordan 1, Boston Celtics from the DMP. That is your box. Again, this was an $875 box. I don't really know how I feel about it, but let's go through it together. Give it a grade in the SB Mitch report card. Okay, gonna give this box a grade and then have its parents sign it. So we get the grade through 3 categories. Category 1, condition. Category 2, sizes. And category 3, hype/value, because a shoe without hype has no value. So let's start off with condition. So we have
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 pairs in this $875 Soul Supremacy beater box. 6 of them are dead stock. So condition on this box, we'll give it a B+. Sizes, we have an 8.5, 10, 12,
9,
9,
5.5.
9,
and another 9.
9 is a money size. The average shoe size in the entire world is something like 8.5 or 9. So sizes on this box, give it an A-. Hype/value. Hype/value is kind of all over the place. I know those ASICs are worth a pretty good amount. Those Boston Celtics ones are worth a pretty good amount. As far as everything else goes, I don't really know. But I'm gonna say hype/value on this box gets about a B+ as well. So with the grade of B+ for condition, the grade of A- for sizes, and the grade of B+ for hype/value, this $875 Soul Supremacy beater box gets a grade of B+ in the SB Mitch report card. So with the information I have, I gave this box a B+, but is it gonna make me any money? Let's find out right now in the breakdown. So that's just guessing. That's if I were to sell everything through PayPal invoice or my website. This box is okay. I'd have to look into it more to know if I'm gonna get my money's worth out of it. The sizes alone are gonna make them really easy flips and really quick flips. So right now on my website, ransomnotesneakers.com, or the shortened version, rnsmnote.com. We're restocking at 6 o'clock today, which is in a couple hours. Also, there is a run of Brick 66 going on, which you can check out on my eBay page. 22 pairs of sneakers, starting at $6.66 plus shipping. They all end on Saturday, so if there's anything in there you want to get, put your bids in. Remember to message me before I send you the invoice saying that you heard about Brick 66 on this stupid YouTube channel, and I'll give you a little bit of a discount. Appreciate you taking the time to watch. And remember, the giveaway will be next week too. So till then, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and remember, they're just shoes. If you're not having fun doing it, find something you love doing and do that, because it's the easiest way to be happy, and that's a good way to live life. Toodles!